Hi guys, today I will be unboxing and testing this Philips TrueForce Core 22 watts LED cool daylight. So it's 45% energy saving with durable brightness. So let me see. So as you can see here is 22 watts and it is using B22 or bayonet. Okay, I open this now. Let's show you this one as well. 45% energy saving, lasts up to 15,000 hours with 50,000. What's this? 50 X
50 times.
switches, 50 times, then instant on, but not dimmable. Okay, so I open this now. It's a big, huge lamp. Wow. See, I'll put this one. Wait a minute. I'll just remove the other lamp. Okay, I will remove the old one. So it's using bayonet. So this one is a energy saving lamp. And now I will put the old one. You see the difference in the size. Okay. Wait, I will test. Okay, that's good. Thank you for watching.